This comedy is beyond hilarious. This comedy, I repeat, is beyond hilarious. Go grab a popcorn, sit down, and cross your leg and start enjoying this comedy, because the comedy video you're about to watch right now is very hilarious. Like, I don't even have any words to, to describe this. So guys, without further ado, kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also don't forget to share it to all your social media platforms. Let's quickly dive into this video. Come on, let's go.
Hello, Philip. You know if you believe waiting me and Ozioma dey like this, we they argue.
Wetin be that?
Ozioma dey try me. She dey tell me say I don't know the faces where they for 1,000 naira note.
Okay, but you suppose know the faces, right?
I dey tell her, she say na lie.
What do you tell her?
I tell her say na Don Jazzy and Tunde not face 9 day for the naira note.
Don Jazzy and Tunde. Are you sure of your answer, Oga?
She dey argue me. You know what you go do? I want make you send me small 1,000 naira so that I go withdraw am, show am the faces where they for the 1,000 naira note.
And he's still explaining it even as the guy called the call.
Open that door.
You are Nyash. You do without Nyash. Let's watch now. Now the comedy just started.
Wait, guys. I feel the one now they call the other drink for club. Anytime I go carry drink, one at the counter. Una other 9 drinks. Now hate the year. What did the many one?
This drink's complete now.
I don't want wahala.
Do you know what this guy did? They will carry pure water and give the barman and ask him that this is what we will do. So
They not the open them.
So we'll buy this drink for so amount. So when we say,
Oh wait, he got for free.
No.
Never see anything. Focus guys on the oppressors.
I hope you guys understand what is going on. They will bring drink and say this is the amount we buy, so that people will see them that like
Manager, DJ complete now. We know what we order now.
Manager, see, I beg eh. Now what I want order tonight be this. They bring at the for 1 million for one. 1 million for water.
Now you drink your water and tell the manager that this is what you want to order. And it's a lie, yo.
The package of
At the end of the day,
Manager, now this one I want order tonight.
Jesus. Which kind of rubbish is this one? I don't want to take life pure water.
If you know, you know.
they really make
You know, Sugar 7 and bring pure water for 2 million.
This is how you spend money lavishly.
I never even start.
Boy, this is how the boys actually does that thing.
Hello,
honestly.
Pretty.
With fake life,
Hi, baby girl.
most of them will not
Nice to
all.
meet you. I must say you look very beautiful. I don't know. I'm a young chief in my place.
We they go somewhere. We are going somewhere. I'm coming.
Enemy of progress.
Madam, calm down now. Should they call?
Enemy of
Like I was
progress.
saying, I don't know. I don't want to waste your time.
Just 1 minute,
I
though.
don't know if I can have your number.
Are you the one that are
1 or 2
toasting?
times. Just give me your number and then
Even the
I'll call
person
you.
that they are toasting is just calm.
Deep.
Apples are more good.
Calm down.
What's the problem? Because I know they talk to you.
If you have experienced this thing, let me see your comment, please, guys. Let me see. This is a warning for you. Never you try to approach a woman when she's with her friend,
You again.
a female friend.
Hey, excuse me, baby girl. Actually, I'm here because of you.
You see?
Me?
Yes, you. And this flower is for you. I don't know.
No wonder she will
Free
never
time,
let
if
you
want to go
be.
somewhere. Maybe just sit down, have a drink, and something.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
But you are happy now, nobody obstructed you.
I'm fine.
Nobody, oh. But when it gets to that ghetto, you try to like distract and destroy everything. Female girls, female friend, I mean, be careful. With that female friend.
Okay, I beg. You see this guy? Help me carry and go the end of this world. I don't want to see again for my life. I beg. Help me carry and go. Come on, the enemy of progress. Carry and go. I beg.
Please go.
What be this?
You know, if Pharaoh did not die, the Israel wouldn't have freedom. You know that. So Pharaoh sometimes needs to die for you to have freedom. Let's enjoy this one.
You know the seafood that you eat. See what food only you eat.
Only you egusi, zosu, eba.
Thank
way food stuff till they finish for this house, I know they like them. I know they sell into the shop for this house. That's why the shop much. Everybody before they come out, I know they eat. So when I come back from work, I they eat. And I want to eat with this. The way the food stuff till they finish, make the children the limit. And I don't tell you what I can tell you.
But the children go limit at the only
children will limit.
Only on that food
they go eat food, they not go eat and finish, they go throw away them. They go throw away food, they throw away food for this house. Okay.
Look at what
all the money when I work, I know the snap. I go do trade finish, I go trade finish with ATEC. I not go see the money. All the money they enter food stuff. I go trade finish, I not go see the money. People go bring BTC card, they go bring gift card come. We go trade finish. Because I may be ATEC representative. The money they enter food stuff. Now if they write something they come now, they not even consider. They put double money, we go the market together. When you don't go the market to, we go the market together. Then any price for you when I come and say, no be the sell the market. That day the marriage go end. You dey wine.
He's the problem of himself.
Who wants scam you? Oh, all my power and they go for me. Now the baba be this. You where they want you. Ah, Baba la go to look 14 at GM at 40. Baby the bed. Baba we I talk say make me lock lines. Baby the bed with you. I big like the time you say make I lock up. Ah, Olofa. Eh what? Baba, my name na Kekereke. Ti okay, I dey fight for marriage. Here. How much you collect for your hand? Na 26,500. 26,500. Even to lock person for police station.
Hey, voila. Let's see what's going on.
But Yasi, Baba, you go pay for this money or not?
Sorry, one tear, I like more Daniel. When you come, say make I help you lawyer clients. Say I no locker, Mumbo Abba. Sorry, one tear, Michael Jackson. You want to share back. But about you, Buntu, I will let you know, say power pass power. Power, you have your mobile, the quality book. How did you have all the wala? Every super parada, you might do back parada.
It's okay.
He don't always do for anybody.
Oh, do you kumeji?
Play. I go make you Solomon promise to try to lesson at the Gumeri. You told your police after the Lugumefa. And what? I'm okay. I want
Mayam!
This is just a little
I am. They play my fast
sense he used for him. Common sense he used for the native doctor. And the native doctor he didn't use it.
Leader John Bosco. Season's greetings, sir. John Bosco.
Jonathan.
My friend. John Bosco. My leader. How you doing now? I'm good, oh.
Drink is off.
Season's greetings.
This will keep you laughing till the end.
Not you at all. For your house, then they fight here.
no try to sit down.
Leader. Since you go village, I got to miss you.
You see chair. You see chair.
Chair there now, you know. God. This is talking.
But it's time for you to call him and say, come and join me.
Hey, your wife now.
It's time, honestly.
Ask your grandfather. What do?
Let's see if he'll call him, Sha. I think he'll call him.
Pepper them, Jonathan, pepper them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turkey at a stretch. What are you talking? Jesus,
5 turkey, what are you talking?
Turkey don't cost, and nobody's talking.
I don't chop this turkey, I don't even wash my hand.
Leader, wash hand.
Leader,
wash as fast as you see water.
This guy is just a good usher.
Wash your hand.
He has been serving this guy, and this guy is supposed to have all the long ago. But I don't know what's keeping him to call him. Let's see. Ask him to join you. What is there? Just 5 chickens. You want to finish 5 turkey, I mean.
These people go give us, they go give us turkey, they're not going to give us toothpick. Madam!
Don't worry, leader.
Look at wife now.
What a kind friend.
Give me! The guy toothpick, Waka.
Sorry. He not save you now.
He saved me. I'll give dog chop.
Okay, you don't buy dog. Your dog will be fat.
They play for fish. Do you know that? Nobody believes that after December, the Harmattan will come.
I've seen climate just shock everybody.
Harmattan!
This is how they do. They will engage in stupid talks.
Your lips are dry.
Because they don't want you to eat.
Your lips are dry.
Go to the pharmacy.
Very dry.
See your lips. Very dry.
Don't jump.
You just see
wicked
meat
person.
wey get oil now. You just solve am. I need small oil like this.
I think this is the best comedy I've ever seen this year.
Dry lips.
That's what you know.
No,
So
if
it's
I
an
see
old
meat
one.
now wey get oil now, my lip wey dry go just wet. You don't understand? But
No, I'm trying to tell him to.
for my lip.
Lip gloss now.
This one na for the first harmattan, this one na the second harmattan wey come now. Nobody talk this thing.
So now which way go ya?
You go try am.
Because we know say. Look for marriage to come wife.
I no know all this thing. I no dey pour eye for people's life. I just dey live my life. Dey go. If he marry, me marry.
Bingo.
You want to engage him in too much talk and he's hungry. You don't have power to talk. Ask him to join you.
Sorry. That's the Jonathan.
This man, I never see which come. You shouldn't even give me serviette. Baby!
No worry, now no dey stress your wife now.
Oh, what a kind-hearted human.
I think they go here from somewhere.
Hey, no worry,
Oh.
for night, you know, show. They come back.
You know one.
Wow.
If I never chop 6 turkey a day, my body don't do me.
Serious?
That's what they do.
If this guy no call this man, he's an evil.
This dey happen o. I don't tell the election they come again o.
Yes, very cool.
Leave election, I'm
Very best
hungry.
man.
Win.
Champion. On to the last one. Abi.
Jonathan, give me talkie, give me talkie. Jonathan, give me talkie, na your friend, Abi, give me talkie.
Jabasco.
You chop 4 talkie, you want chop the 5th one.
Yeah,
Your friend, Abi, give me talkie, Jonathan. You didn't hear the talk this morning, give me talkie,
Yes.
make me talk. Let me share your joy. If I'm not share talkie, you no go tell Jonathan we are close friends. Waiting, I didn't hear you drop one.
This one is marvelous, guys. This one is so
Your mate, they carry their friends go talkie. You dey try talkie with me. You no get shame? No shame. You dey complain say my mouth dry. My mouth is it not shining now? Is my mouth not shining?
Oh, it's shiny.
You hold up. What drag up? What drag up?
Oh.
Eat am, make shame catch you. Eat am, make shame catch you. Am I not shining now? Bingo,
Wicked friend.
Bad friend. This is no good for anybody. You know, just yourself. Bingo.
Oyibo Pepe, my baby man.
I be now.
I like that. I
Okay,
love
man,
that.
see, things are not done that way. Since when you just come back, you just dey avoid your guy. My guy, I know 1 billion. Guy, what's up now? You know, say since we dollarize, now where they do this BTC business, they enjoy you.
Bro, you sef fit go enjoy and carry your BTC go trade with Aritas. They get better rates, they are fast and reliable.
Heritage. Guy, man, make I tell you truth. The only person we get BTC go trade. As I tell like this, I don't even get B. Where I want CTC.
Okay, you get one sugar mommy with you on ground.
Guy, man, no. Hi. Me, I know they like all those sugar mommy things. So you sabi why? Anything with married woman, me, I know they put her.
No, relax. Her husband died 2 years ago.
Her husband don't die.
Now.
Update, okay, guy, man, give me full update.
Only thing be say the woman a sex addict.
That is the woman like sex well.
Yeah.
Guy, forget. You know who they here? Yes. This person where you see in a full machine. Since I did like this, I be Suzuki.
Instead of people listening for him to give you better information.
I'll give you a number now. Then you text her, make una link tomorrow.
Just like that.
You want me?
I swear to Almighty God, guy, man. Anything where that woman will give me, I go give you 10%.
I be big boy. I don't need your dog hold on.
Hey, oh boy, guy, man.
Yeah.
See, no worry. As you don't do this one for me, hey. Oh, papa, my baby man.
Thanks.
Are you sure guys is going to go on fine? Are you sure? Well, let's see how it's going to go between Nasboi and the sugar mommy. It's going to be hilarious, honestly.
Mommy, good afternoon. It be like in a wrong room because now Madam Gladys where they find.
Come in, it's me.
Now you be Madam Gladys.
Jesus.
What am I seeing? How
Hello?
can she do the
Guy,
boo?
things are not done this way now, guy, man. What you make you tell me say the person where you want make I come in house na sugar mommy? Only for me to come here because he said the person where they here na Peter mommy. Now old woman now. This one na OG now.
Guy, that woman a millionaire.
Which kind millionaire? How much will she fit give me?
20 million.
boys, kamikaze or the control level.
Even at old age, she's actually a nationality addict.
Baby.
How can she?
Jesus. Hi. Mommy Gladys. I'm sorry. Baby. You for consider your age.
30 million.
Men come outside, I can't walk.
You are old, almost to go. You're asking someone to.
Now, so Mommy Gladys take that. What? So you were charged for murder? If to say na mother wey dem charge me for better, I was charged for grandmother.
It is true, it's grandmother, honestly. Not ordinary mother, it was grandmother. When I walk on this period.
Hi God.
Wow.
Look at good person.
Hello? How far lion? I beg, I feel like 5K for your hand.
5K? Okay, stay on the line,
What a very kind-hearted human being.
Your account.
This period, this terrible time, someone sent you 5K just like that with no soul.
Lion! No be here, just say 5K now. Now me, I can't thank you and I come with my people.
It's worth it. It's worth it, oh. Don't go let anybody give me 5K like this now as I tell you. I go to pack all my village, come in house.
He shock you! I come with my mama and papa too.
It's also worth it. They need to dance to make sure that the guy even gets entertained and not remember what he spent. Oh my God, they are jubilating, honestly. I know it's worth it.
Like, only 5K I give you, now you take me like this. What if I can't send you 1 million?
Don't just try it.
In fact, I don't send you 1 million. Grandma, grandpa. You? Just send me 1 million.
This period?
I beg, I want me to call me tanker.
I could go tanker.
What's what do do for you?
Thanking with ordinary mouth is not enough. It's not going to be enough until you invite ancestors to do it. So that's the only way. Yes. You can be satisfied.
Moscow, I beg, I won't buy charcoal this night. I beg, it is very important. I beg. You want cook this night? Okay, I beg, the urgent. How much charcoal? 200. Jesus. So they're too small now. Oh, yeah, make 250.
Oh, yeah, the convert for me small.
I have to come up safe. Alright,
let's go to break. Buy charcoal by this time. Oh, well, I don't know. What does he want to use it for?
Now, the charcoal when you say you want to chop it is.
Jesus. Crave.
Thank you, baby.
Oh.
No be my dog, thank you. Vigilante nearly shoots me, Nana, because of charcoal. See, the fish when you say you want to chop, you know chopper. See the crab when you say they crave for, you never chop her. Everything when you say you want to chop, you no touch her now charcoal. If you crave for any other thing again, I go deny the pregnancy. Waiting.
There's no pepper in it.
Pepper in where?
The charcoal.
Pepper and charcoal. My brother, the best. You just have to run. Leave her and the pregnancy, oh. You want to kill the poor man.
I bet wear my shoe.
Your white shoe?
My new boots.
Wait, you just buy? The baby was craving for it, so we ate out of it.
Jesus.
Should be
Hey, leave her. Mona, no worry. Mona, don't keep her. In case when I hungry later, you understand? Me, I want to come. I want to come.
Moscow.
No, I don't go take.
You are running away. Jesus. You're not going to somewhere.
Tell her me go back. If Papa don't run.
He actually ran away, man. The problem is too much. Crave this. Okay.
It's fine though.
Let's
like
look at
it?
Rosie
Yeah, very fine.
and
Does it fit better?
Yes, perfect.
It's one of my calls, right?
Yes.
They're gonna get more. Let me go and change you to the other one. Okay. Thank you so much. I love you.
No problem.
This one is smiling like somebody that is
Check out the
expecting
back.
something
Check
bad.
out the back.
It's very
See, if I bring this
I hope
one,
it's
and
gonna
this
end
one
well.
side, I can bring it forward.
Exactly.
Like,
He's not smiling well. I
okay,
think
so I should change to the last one, and you will love it.
Okay.
the way Ruki is smiling is as if she's expecting something
Just go to
go
call from my
on so that
dad now. I need
get.
to rush him, okay? I'll talk to you like that.
I'm not just stop now. You don't test all the clothes now. My turn to test you now. Which one be say you receive call from your
What do you mean? I received the call from my father. I said I should call.
I better stop you. Now don't come again. Now this one, I'm not the like him at all. Sure, I want the like son. I want the expensive dress. I'm not the like him. Since when they say boutique, they buy clothes. Your partner call. Now your papa
Oh, look, stop it. I beg, stop being childish. I said it's my father that called me. What's your problem?
If that childish, you won't call. Now you won't call him. Call him. I like being childish.
Please, I beg, it's my father. I beg. I don't ignore my father's call.
Is it for real?
Why I'm saying now your papa they call you? You they test yes. Money they switch you. My thought to test you, which now they say your papa. Now like that, I better
not be for real. What does it take you for? What does it take you for?
What the Christian more go girl? Sister, we just have to take your partner. Now your papa they call you.
After taking you out, buying all these things, now you
I don't tell you say my price don't increase. I be they collect 40K before, yes, I know. But today, if you won't carry me na 70,000 naira, you don't say dollar rates don't increase.
What did you say? Which time dollar rates start to affect the local price?
All those styles that they give you, you know, say na American style.
Jesus.
I learn new style like this, saying if I give you a woe, you gonna know the quality of that 70K.
Jesus Christ. So American style now na 70,000. They play. And na 40,000 I get. Why won't see 30,000 to add join this money to make her 70 like this?
You better go look for since you don't have sense. Look at where it is coming to meet another craze.
Buy your phone here, sell your phone here.
Wait on
Bros, agree to.
How much you buy 14 Pro Max?
40 Pro Max. Guy, take. 40,000 if you take this phone. 40,000. Take.
Check out Mona 14 Pro Max.
I know now. 40,000 if you take this phone. I don't know the situation of the country now. Dollar high, phone with this value.
When dollar they high, phone value they go down.
That's why your people at the market now.
Bring money.
Jesus. Just because you want to relax, you don't care again.
You don't get cash,
just
I don't get
bank.
The cash will do me 30,000.
30,000?
Yes.
For 14 Pro Max?
That's like, bros, if you don't want to sell me, you go, I beg.
This is playing.
Swap your phone here, buy your phone here, bros. I don't get time, I beg.
Bring money, no time.
It's like the
swap your phone here, buy your phone here.
Wasiu, you are taking this money to Olosho. After you do what you want to do, I will.
After give me Peters.
Something will kill a man.
Kill a man.
Come aside.
He's actually taking things on things so that when he gets it, he can actually taking a lot of bitters. Everything on.
See money for condom.
Take me out.
They don't collect my money.
How is he going to cope? And oh gosh, losing phone, losing everything. I pity for him, honestly. I pity for him. Can someone tell me how is he going to cope in the comments? Tell me, please. How is he going to cope?
When these people sound,
lead.
Where you come here? When you come here, wait till I tell you. I'm not telling you say your friend lack iron.
Now what did I tell her? When I two come here, I tell her say doctor say you lack iron.
Why you go swallow screwdriver?
And even me say I confused. I tell her say no be that iron. I tell her
I need to carry out operation. Yes, where is the family member?
I don't call the wife, call the children. All of them they refuse.
You are his friend. Come and sign. Yes, so that I will just carry out the operation now. Let's go.
But now friend, they are not be family member.
Come and sign.
Sign waiting.
Why is he running now? It's just a sign.
Where you, Jenna? If you go, come. Ungozi, bring that man, come outside. Bring my son, come outside. Bring that wheelchair.
Tell me now, why is he afraid to sign?
You don't run even for.
And the way he actually turned back and ran, it's funny.
Every parties, set that one you go collect. Oju you set na cuties. Oju you set.
Bokoli, wetin your woman talk? She don't block me o. Alpha, no na load until block for head. Portable.
You dey why?
Wetin your client talk?
Shema, my man dey bank.
Alpha, when I give her too loud, may smoke. Oya sef. Hush puppy, Alpha.
Shema.
I know say you get grace. How many work you don't catch?
Shema, grace are these days. You are the bomb since all my women that don't block me. I will get woman at the bomb.
You dey my office, you dey say you lack grace, you don't get grace. Alpha, man, I load down 100 bag of cement, make carry for head.
Yeah! Hello, Chama. I know they come with the cement.
Jesus!
Is this how it happens?
Who goes you?
Babe,
Ah.
is that my elder brother I told you about that wants to join your HK?
Which text message be that? You get clients?
Nah, my Alawi will just drop down for my phone.
Government pay you Alawi for my HK. After see no boy, collect the money, go buy 2 cup of loud. Come.
I know the Yahoo boy in Azamana.
You don't just watch something. Someone that has not even landed to join HK, they have already started dealing with him.
Okay.
Aboki is actually looking nice and stony, fresh guy. Bling bling, the dream for this guy.
Hello, excuse me. Please, is this the pharmacy?
Let be poor. Breathe.
You want to kill the poor because you have undercut. And you went inside.
Jesus.
Now look at.
Jesus.
I want like this. Is this the supermarket?
You didn't explain the part where you
My motor.
like this.
My
You
motor.
are paid.
My
You didn't
motor.
explain it though.
And I don't go buy air freshener.
Wanted to put it so that it will be scenting.
Now the chop is you. I greet you, bros. No be you, I don't greet you. That one with the back. Yes, that one with that. You will touch that guy with the back for me. Where with that don't feel me. Yes, that one. Yes, you. I greet you, bros.
Good afternoon, officer.
Afternoon.
Officer, what are you doing on the road now?
Safety.
Which one is safety?
Normal road safety now.
Can you see the
Officer Dinosaur. Officer Cricket. When I me check this screen, you have the sound, so get the way to be.
Order!
Eh?
This screen no get salt oh.
Salt no dey.
Salt no dey oh.
Ow! Ow! Salt and
whiskey no get salt. Fall out. Tell me you're already for waiting.
My wife is giving bath.
Wipe the bath. I think I'm going to get them to wipe the bath.
Officer, let's have a personal discussion now.
PD.
Which one is PD?
Normal personal discourse now.
If you think it's money, they want to tell you about. I think they want to talk about negotiation.
Officer Cricket! Oh, that was something I go that side.
Nobody's talking about negotiation. You are going to see soup. Those people are actually bad. They are bad.
Guy,
you can't tell me that.
Thank you for allowing me spend the night for your house, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
You came to somebody's house to spend the night.
Bro, what be that? Oh.
And after this direct flag,
Are you whining
instead of
yourself?
you still want to manage.
Oh.
You see what you are managing.
Thank you, bro. Good night.
Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Otilo, I swear.
Hold up. Lord, don't greet me. Where is my house rent? I'll give you money. Last 2 weeks, you say you go pay me. Last week, the same thing. And I don't come again. You can't say, may I still hold on for you till when?
You don't know how to make money with your chest.
Last 2 weeks, you say you go pay. Ajay, give me 2 weeks. I will pay you back. Now that Ajay go send you go jail. No wahala.
Ajay jail.
I can't give my money now. They go.
Caro.
Hey!
Now you dey chop my daughter work, and you still dey hold me.
He's a bad man.
Ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́. Ẹ̀yin yá mi o, ọ̀pọ̀ pàpàràjà.
You are owing somebody. And you are still the daughter on top of it. How much are you going to pay like that?
Sorry, one tier. Abawaba, you go meet me for house. Until law.
Alpha bro, what's happened to your third relationship? Bro, talk to me now. Lakaka. Are you to see your girlfriend post heartbreak? What did she do? We make you break up with her.
Talk.
Bro, you just made the legit. I not be your guy. See, bro, I thought she was the one for me until I found out that.
Yeah, woman. What's going to
So,
happen?
baby, even with your phone, I'll be calling you, I'll not be picking. Why?
I didn't know you were calling me. My phone was on silent. That's why they pick.
Shut up your mouth.
Not be juju be that.
Wait,
Red
are you something
flag.
or what?
Yes.
Actually telling you that this girl is not.
You must be very crazy for that.
Me? Crazy? I'll show you that I'm really crazy.
Red flag means is not for you. She's not for you, but you don't want to get this the simple idea.
What do you want to use this to do?
I want to use it so I'll break your car.
Okay, until when you get to your car's turn
Now, what
now,
to make me break up with that? Omo,
you realize
girl
that
say you
she's
jack for
not
that
meant for
relationship.
you.
Now all those kind get they stab their boyfriend.
This one is just the advisor, the wicked advisor. In all your friends, you must have one that actually have fired to this to the injury. Those people. Well, thank you guys for watching this comedy video, and I believe you enjoyed this one. So guys, don't just watch and go. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also share it to all your friends and family members, your relatives. Share it even on your social media platform. Share it, and also don't forget to like it. Alright guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy video? We have a lot of favorite moments in this comedy video. In fact, everything a banger, back to back, funny scene, everything is actually funny. So guys, I would give it to, I would say the best comedy in this video compilation is let me say, I don't want to be biased. And this is just my own opinion. So you have to give yours in the comments. In the comment below, just give yours the best comedy in this compilation. As for me, I will give it to let me say that Edo Pikin. Honestly, that is my number one. Edo Pikin. The man and the turkey with his friend. Yeah, that is turkey with his friend. You know, when I first started watching this comedy, I thought as soon as the man, you know, land in the house of his friend will actually ask him to join in to eat the turkey. But I was waiting, expecting that, but nothing like that happened. Instead, this man starts from number one. It was I think 5 turkey, at least 6. Let me say 5. Okay, 5 if I'm not mistaken. He ate 1, ate 2, ate 3. While eating those 3, he was asking questions, bombarding questions, engaging that his friend in a serious conversation. You know, when there is no power, there is no way you can have that strength now. There's no way you can be talking, discussing with friends when you are not eating. And it was obvious that this guy actually came because of that food. That was how he came. But at the end of the day, Edo Pikin was about to eat the last one. I love what the guy did. That is what they say. Don't grieve for anybody in this 2024. Drag for yourself, drag for your right. And the guy actually picked that one. And I really love that part where he picked that one. And all the things he said, I really liked it. And I think I found this comedy very hilarious among others. It's my number one. And I would say my number 2, I would give it to Sure God. He was actually trying to explain how some boys live fake life, or he was trying to explain some Yahoo boys and their fake life. Let me use it that way. Yahoo boys and their fake life, with their fake life and their fake life. This is how it's done, especially in Benin. All these Pablo boys, all these boys that really like all these boys that collected or that collect $200 which one be 200 million? When they just collect $200, this is how they do it. You know, they will go to a club, meet the manager there, telling that I will buy this thing for 10 million, maybe pure water or maybe Coke for 10 million. So when I order, while I'm drinking with my friends and everybody there, you just bring it that I order it for 10 million. All this kind of thing. This is exactly what this guy illustrated in this comedy, and it was actually funny. That's why I said, never you envy anybody, never you look at people's success, or never you look at people's wealth and start saying, oh God, oh God, where I did, you know, bless me, where you bless all these friends. No, don't do that. Just wait for your time. Time will come, honestly, the time will come. You never know who is living fake life and you'll be envying them. At the end of the day, you kill yourself. Those people will still be alive. I give it up. Like, I give it to number 2. Number 2 comedy about this guy is the best. Like, the comedy was actually well scripted. Like, it was nice. I enjoyed it and I really see a lot of sense in it. It is not just a comedy, but a comedy that actually, you know, has a lot of things that someone can learn from. Yes, that's what I say in that comedy. And the other funny part, this guy's part, Nasboi actually did a very clean job in this comedy, where, you know, they're asking that I have a sugar mommy connection for you, and they got there and realized that the woman is old. I even thought that the woman is sick, but she is a knack addict. Even while she's old, she still need it rough. And the guy mistakenly choked her and she died. That led him to be in jail. And at the end of the day, do you know what got me that comedy? Where he said, when that guy asked him that, oh, you just buy person and for murder case, you were sent to this prison for murder case, and he said, what if pay me not be even the murder case? Now grandmother case, and it's true. It's actually grandmother case. The comedy is beyond hilarious. It's beyond hilarious, honestly. I really love these guys. And this little SMS, nobody's actually talking about, you know. So I think a lot of us are underrating this guy, Little SMS. Little SMS is being underrated, honestly, and he's doing a clean and a fine job in his comedy career. This guy is so funny. I mean, look at this comedy now, where, you know, he told his friend that he lacked, doctor said, I will tell you lack iron, but the guy went to swallow iron, screwdriver, because there's iron in screwdriver. I managed and asked you to sign, and he ran away. And the way he actually ran was so funny, and the way he talked is funny. Everything's funny about this guy, and nobody's actually talking about him. I don't really know why no one's talking about him. And still look at SK, look at Rookie, look at a lot of them, Degeneral, MC Lion. They really did a fine role in this comedy. Actually, I love it, and I believe you guys love it as well. You guys love it as well, because I don't just download anyhow comedy. I make sure I review it and make sure that this thing, and I also cross-check it to see if my fans or my subscribers is going to like this. So I watch it. If I laugh, meaning my subscriber will laugh while they're watching it as well. So I work on it and I uploaded it for you guys to see. And let me see your comment if you enjoy this comedy. Let me see your comment. Who is the best? Who is your favorite comedian? Let me see your comment. Who is the best comedian in this video compilation? Let me see your comment where you are watching from. Let me see your comment where you are commenting from. Let me see your comment. Whatsoever you're doing, let me see your comment. Just comment something. Comment something nice. You know, comment something nice, and also don't forget to like. Liking this video will make YouTube get the idea of, like, you know, promoting it further. Like, you know, if you like it, it will pass signal to YouTube that people are interested in this comedy, like they love this video, they love what I'm doing, and for that reason YouTube, you know, they start, you know, promoting it to wider audience. The reason why I'm not getting views that much right now is because of my demonetization. And not only that, I deleted all my videos so that I can start from afresh, you know, just hoping for them to accept my reapplication. Alright guys, without further ado, we're going to see you guys in our next comedy video. Expect more banger from CrityReact. Alright, have a wonderful time and stay blessed.